It is Al-Hakam, 17th of August 1888, the early days of his career. The early, because he made his first claim, proper claim, from 1891 about the Sayaship. Now it is 1888. Look what he said. He says in this one, मेरे लिए ये काफी फख्र है कि मैं इन लोगों यानी सहाबा का मदा और खाके पाक हूँ, और जो जुजी फजीलत खुदा ताला ने इन्हें बख्शी है, किन्हें बख्शी है? सहाबा को इन्हें बख्शी है, क़यामत तक कोई शख्स नहीं पा सकता. My brothers and sisters in humanity, Ahmadiyya, are you listening what Mirza is saying? Listen again. He is saying that the honor, the dignity and the virtue what Allah gave to the companion, nobody can ever get those virtues. And he said that for me, for Mirza Ghulam Ahmad, it is sufficient for me that I am the one who praised the companions and I am the dust of their feet. I am the khake pahu, I am the dust of the feet. And then he said, Kab dubara, listen, I'm going to give you undercutting defeat. Kab dubara Muhammad दुनिया में पैदा हों और फिर किसी को ऐसी खिदमत का मौका मिले जो जनाबे शेखैन को मिला. He is saying that the honor which Abu Bakr as-Siddiq and Umar al-Faruq, the honor they have, nobody can have that honor now. Why? Because Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam cannot come in this dunya again. And guess what? The whole topic was Mirza was claiming that he has come in this dunya again. How to deal with this deceptive person? I let you decide.